rub it on this thing, like to go down, because I don't like, and it's so painful. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Susan. I create beauty, fashion, lifestyle content here, and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do well to subscribe, join the fam, click on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing the highly requested skincare routine. Yes guys, today I'm going to be sharing my morning skincare routine with you guys and reviewing some of the products or the products I got on my ridiculous skincare shopping. If you've not seen that video, I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box. I don't know why it's when I decided to film my skincare routine video that this stuff came out. I don't know what it is, and I don't think it's period acne because I'm done with my period. I don't know if it's from the shoots I went to. I don't just know. It just popped up 2 days ago. Just this one, but nevertheless it's not going to stop me from creating this video for you guys. And disclaimer, I am not a beautician, neither am I a skin expert. I'm just going to be sharing with you products I use on my skin and also reviewing the products I got in my last skincare haul. A basic skincare routine should have cleanse, tone, moisturize, and sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important, but you cannot go ahead to add your serums, your acne treatment, your hyperpigmentation treatment, whatever treatment you want to put in between your routine. But a basic skincare routine is cleanse, tone, moisturize, and sunscreen. For cleansing, I'm going to be using Long Reach Charcoal Black Soap. It's an exfoliating soap. I love this soap so much. I use it on my body and on my face. And I'm going to be using it today for you guys. I will insert a picture of what it looks like so you guys can see it. But it's very, very nice. And it lasts long. It doesn't finish quick. It does not dissolve in water quick. I like it so much. If I'm not using this on my face, I'm using this Bolden Skin Clarifying Cleanser. It's very small and cute. It's a gift. My boss gave it to me, so I use it once in a while. I don't use it every time. It helps prevent breakout. So I'm going to cleanse my face with this. I already applied water on this and damped my face a bit, so I'm just going to apply the soap on my face now so you guys can see. Let me rub it on this thing, like to go down, because I don't like, and it's so painful. I don't like that it's now on my forehead. So guys, it's ideal or best to wash your face for 60 seconds to get all the dirt out of your skin. So you can either sing a song or just count 60 seconds in your head. So I'm gonna head to rinse my face. Now I'm going to just clean it completely. And guys, please do not use your body towel on your face. You either get a separate towel for your face or you use a, what's it called, a kitchen paper towel, or you use baby wipes. I use baby wipes for my face. Because you don't want the bacteria that you are going to wipe off from your body to get to your face. And your face is like the most sensitive part of your body because it's exposed to sun and all of that. So treat it with care. Get a separate face towel, or you use kitchen paper towel. I recommend using a kitchen paper towel or baby wipes because you just dispose them immediately you're done. But like if you get a separate face towel, that means you have to get at least 3 so that you can easily switch between them and wash them. But kitchen paper towel and baby wipes, you dispose immediately you are done using it, and that's like the best. You're not storing any debts. So after cleansing my face, the next step is to tone, and I'm going to be showing you guys the 2 toners I use on my face. These babies, this is the one I got from my skincare video, my skincare shopping. Is the Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Cleanser. It has salicylic acid in it and it helps prevent and clear blackhead. I love this cleanser. I use it once in a while, not every time, because I have sensitive skin and I don't want it to strip my face of all the essential oils. Yes, so I use this once in a while, but it's really good. You can see how far I have gone with this one. Then this one is my daily cleanser. This is what I use almost every day. It's the Simple Sensitive Skin Expert. That's for sensitive skin, blemish prone oily skin. Yes, oil be gone micellar water. Some people use it to remove their makeup, but me, I use it as a toner. It's really nice. If you have oily skin, this cleanser is like, it should be one of your best friends in your skincare routine. But I won't be using it today because I'm trying to fight this thing on my forehead. We're using this one. So you just get a cotton pad, and guys, this toner has it has this tinglish feeling. Like when you apply it on your face, it tingles like mint, like when you have mint or tea tree oil. Yes, that kind of feeling you get when you apply tea tree oil on your face. That's what you get with this, and I think it just shows that it's doing a lot of work and deep cleaning and removing all excess oil on your face. Please, oh, don't forget your neck, please. Your neck is part of your face. You don't want to have a bright face and your neck is looking very dark. So whatever you are doing to your face, do it to your neck too. And your ears. Yes. And your ears. Very important. Look at. Let me see. Next up is moisturizer. But for me, I'm going to be using a serum before my moisturizer. So I'm using this Vita B3 sauce. I got it also in my last skincare shopping. If you have not seen that video, please stop this one, go back and watch it, because that's the only way you can follow up with the product I'm talking about. Guys, this moisturizer this serum is so good. It's so good that I have exhausted the bottle. I've ordered for another one because I love it. It helps brighten dull skin and dark spots. It's really good. I don't even think the dropper can pick it up. Can you see? Oh god. No, I'm not going to let this go. Yes. So this is, can you see what I'm doing? Because I'm going to use every drop from this. Guys, with this serum, it has this sticky feel and it makes your face feel plump like that of a baby. If you use hyaluronic acid, the same feeling you get with hyaluronic acid, that's the same feeling you get with this serum. So I recommend it. Please buy it if you can. Next up is moisturizer. I feel like simple products are actually simple and like they do their work. No serious, no too much stress. They're actually simple, affordable, and they just do their work well. This moisturizer is the simple hydrating light moisturizer, and everything that it says it is, that's what it is. It is lightweight, it is hydrating, and it is moisturizing, and it's very affordable. If you watch my last video, I'm singing it again for you guys. If you have not watched that video, stop this one, go back and watch it. A link is going to be in the description box so you can check it out. Can you see? It's so light, very light, it's not thick. So I'm going to mix it with this one. This is the Bolden Night Repair Serum. It is meant for acne, sun exposure, sunburn. It helps fade dark spots, it restores clarity and firmness to your skin. This one was a gift too from my boss. She gave me this and this. This is the cleanser and this is the moisturizer. But this is for nighttime, but I can use it during the day. And anytime I use it during the day, I always mix it with this one because it has glycolic acid. I know glycolic acid is a very active ingredient in skincare routine. And if you are using this, you need to make sure that you don't skip sunscreen. I'm just going to add 1 pump. And that's it. Please don't forget your neck and your ears. Very, very important. You don't want to have yellow face and acne. My face feels very hydrated and plump. And I'm not done with my skincare routine yet. So next up is sunscreen. So this is the Malibu SPF 50 sunscreen. This sunscreen is, I don't even know why people don't talk about it much. Like, I don't see it when I go through skincare pages and websites. I don't see reviews about this sunscreen because this sunscreen is so nice. It is lightweight, it blends in easily, there's no white cast, it does not make you sweat. The only problem I have with it is that it tingles. Like anytime I get close to my eyes, it tingles and I start tearing up. But since I noticed it, I make sure that I don't blend it too close to my eyes. So apart from that, I'm fine with this sunscreen, and it is a good buy. It's very affordable. I got it since June and I've not gone half. Like, I've not gone half with this sunscreen, and I use it every day, whether I'm going out or not. Whether you're going out or you're not going out, make sure you use sunscreen during the day. And if you're going out, don't forget to reapply your sunscreen. So yes, I got this one before, and this one I will not even recommend it to anybody. Don't buy it, please. It's so thick, it makes you sweat. Okay, me personally, it makes me sweat because I sweat a lot. Then imagine rubbing this sunscreen that is very thick. It makes me sweat. It does not blend in easily. It's now matte and leaves one kind of, I won't call it, it's like in between. It's not white totally, but it's not like it's fully blended. It feels like you have powder on your face. That's what you get with this sunscreen. So now I use it for my hands. I just discovered that if you are the type that gets gel polish and you put your hands in those dryers, you need to use sunscreen on your hands because they are not really good. They cause you to have dark knuckles. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I use this for. I use this for my hands and for my legs because obviously I'm going to get gel paint on my toenails and I put them in the dryer. So that's why I still have this. But for my face, I use this one. Let me show you the consistency. It's so lightweight. Like, can you see? Can you see? And it has this shine. Not like you have oil on your face, but like there's a shine. So you know that thing that people say 2 fingers? I don't do it. I just apply enough and I'm good. Please don't forget your neck. I'm going to be singing it for you guys throughout this video. Don't forget your neck. If you are doing your skincare routine, don't forget your neck. Don't forget your ears. They are as exposed to the sun as your face, so treat them like you treat your face too. I just blend the remaining product on my hand because my hands too they need sunscreen. So guys, I'm done with my skincare routine. Can you see how my face is glowing? This is the glow that you people see in my pictures on Instagram, and you're like, what do you use on your skin? What do you use on your skin? I have come here to share it, and I hope you guys like it and will pick a product that will work for you. Lastly, from what I got in my skincare shopping video, this baby, guys, I am obsessed with this lotion. This is the Vaseline Cocoa Glow with pure shea butter and cocoa butter. When people say, oh, if you want to build your scents, you have to start building them from your body wash and your body lotion, I did not used to believe them. I just felt from your body mist from your deodorant to your body mist to your perfume oil is enough to build your scent. But ever since I started using this, I smell like chocolate, literally. Like after using this, and I used the body mist I got in my skincare shopping video, and I use this, I smell so nice. Let me show you the consistency you get with this. Can you see? Very lightweight. It does not make me sweat. Look, I sweat a lot, and anything that makes me so uncomfortable, I don't want it. But with this body lotion, it's lightweight. It does not make me sweat. It blends in smoothly, no stress. And it also has a body oil like Vaseline. This exact Cocoa Glow has a body oil, but I don't have it yet. I'm going to get it the next time I get my skincare stuff. But I highly recommend. Like, look at the shine you get with this one. Then imagine you just top up with the body oil. You're going to be glowing like you're coming from the sun, and you just blind your haters. Like, I smell like chocolate. It's so nice, honestly. I'm not exaggerating. If you buy it, use it and give me your feedback. And it's very, very, very affordable. I think if you're getting it from the supermarket here, you should get it for 3,000 to 3,500. But I got it for 1,200 because of where I got it from. So guys, if you have not seen that video again, I'm going to leave a link to the description box. Go and watch it. The market I got these stuffs from is going to be there, and every detail you need about the products I got, their prices, they're going to be on the screen there. So do well to watch that video. Lastly, I'm just going to moisturize my lips. I'm going to be using a lip gloss. If you have a lip balm, too. Gorgeous girls apply lip gloss on their lips. So if you're a gorgeous girl like me, always apply lip gloss. You don't want your lips to be dry. You don't want to have blisters. That thing is painful. So guys, that's the end of my highly requested basic and simple skincare routine. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know the products you used, let me know the ones you want to try out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.